In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish a site in Framer. Whether you're looking to take a website offline temporarily or remove it from public access completely, these steps will guide you through the process in a quick and efficient manner. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up your favorite web browser. In the search bar, go ahead and type in Framer. This will direct you to the main Framer website. Once you're there, take a moment to look for the option to log into your account. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials. For regular users, your login details are typically saved, which allows you to access your dashboard swiftly. Once logged in, you'll find yourself inside your Framer dashboard. This dashboard is your main hub, where all your projects are neatly listed. Take a moment here to locate the specific project associated with the site you wish to unpublish. Framer makes it easy by organizing all your projects clearly, so identifying the correct one shouldn't be too difficult. Now, after you've pinpointed the right project, you'll notice a three-dot menu icon next to it. This icon is often referred to as an options menu and is usually represented as 3 vertical dots, also known as an ellipsis. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu offering further options related to your project management. In this drop-down menu, you'll want to look for the option labeled Open Settings. Click on this and it will take you directly to the settings page for your project, where you can adjust various elements related to its configuration. While exploring the settings, search for a section often labeled Danger Zone, or you might find it under the General Settings tab. This is where all the critical configurations are housed, including the option to unpublish your site. In this section, you'll spot a prominent red button labeled Unpublish. It's intentionally designed to be bold and red to signify that it's a significant action, ensuring you double-check your intention to proceed. Now that you've found the Unpublish button, go ahead and click it. A confirmation prompt will appear to verify your choice, as unpublishing your site will remove it from public access. Confirm your decision, and just like that, your site will be successfully unpublished. And there you have it, a simple, straightforward process to unpublish your site on Framer. Whether you're working on updates, taking a temporary pause, or going offline permanently, this process ensures that your site is no longer visible to the public. If you followed along, your site should now be successfully unpublished. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in effortlessly managing your Framer project.